Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Uniti Internet, a company aiming to deliver blazing fast fiber internet service. Their website, located at unitiinternet.com, showcases their commitment to providing high-speed connections to homes and businesses. Uniti focuses on building and expanding fiber networks, bringing what they describe as a premium internet experience to underserved communities. One of the key aspects they highlight is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They strive to offer reliable service and responsive customer support. Uniti's website outlines various internet plans designed to meet different needs and budgets, ranging from basic internet access to higher-tier packages for those who require faster speeds and higher data caps. While they don't publicly disclose specific pricing details on their main webpage, they encourage potential customers to check availability in their area using their online address checker. This allows for a personalized quote based on location and available service tiers. The website also features a blog section with articles providing insights into internet technology, tips for maximizing internet speed, and updates on Uniti's network expansion. It's clear that Uniti is positioning itself as a forward-thinking internet provider with a strong emphasis on utilizing fiber optic technology. They aim to not only deliver fast speeds but also to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience, emphasizing their commitment to customer support. They frequently highlight the advantages of fiber internet over traditional cable or DSL connections, including faster speeds, lower latency, and increased reliability. For those seeking a modern internet solution, Uniti Internet presents itself as a viable option, encouraging users to explore their site and check for availability in their region. They appear to be actively working on expanding their service area and invite users to stay updated on their progress. While a visit to unitiinternet.com doesn't provide detailed pricing information upfront, it offers a clear overview of the company's mission and values, emphasizing speed, reliability, and customer satisfaction.